I think the best marketing is by education. And what PainCast does is just puts such beautiful videos of the lectures that you don't get to see or get to hear anybody. It's a wonderful way that they help us.
The videos that are out there constantly, the educational materials, there are a lot of people that don't have access to come to a meeting like this. I've heard such great feedback for them regarding PainCast and educational videos, the procedural videos, and even things like this, and the constant update of new content.
It's great stuff. I love the interviews and I think there's a lot of value to that.